Good day everyone, this is your Ahente Next Door, and for today's video, let me show you one of the most accessible project here in Biñan, Laguna, which is the penthouse at Jubilation. This is a 3-story townhouse project na makikita nyo malapit sa Pavilion Mall. Yes, we are very accessible. Walking distance from Pavilion Mall and Pure Gold, and 3 minutes away from Mamplasan SLEX exit. Yan. So ito yung pinaka community natin. You have very wide roads and masyadong mahangin dito sa area, kaya kung medyo magulo man po yung aking buhok, pagpasensyaan nyo na. So let's visit. Pakita ko sa inyo yung first type of model turnover dito sa penthouse. The prime model, which is a bare unit. Yun yung pinakang basic finish na meron po tayo.